So, parents in Wisconsin, according to NBC News, are now suing an insurance company because they refused to cover an inhaler for their 22-year-old son that he had been using most of his life. He went to the pharmacy, and it was usually $66 a month, and now it was over $500, and he had to make a choice between that and his rent. A pharmacy benefits manager, which is a whole other company that stands in between us and our care, decided that he shouldn't use that anymore. For no medical reason, they wanted him to go back to his doctor and try a bunch of other things. And it's not like the insurance company said, okay, use this inhaler for now, but we'd like you to try something later. They gave him nothing. Their whole business model is to offer us less medications so they can make more money. In 5 days after leaving the pharmacy without his medication, he had an asthma attack, and he went to the hospital, and he passed away. And this wasn't a mistake. This wasn't the fault of the pharmacist or the doctor. This was intentional. And by the way, this kid was working full time. He had a job and he had insurance. Why doesn't he deserve care? Why would we need someone between us and our doctors deciding which medications we need? Why would we need a company full of lawyers and administrators to decide that? The doctor is the one that should decide that. And some of these companies, they control all of it. They control the insurance company, they control the pharmacy benefits company, and some of them even control the pharmacies themselves. I am sure that this is not the first loss of life due to insurance companies putting profits over people, and it certainly won't be the last. This needs to stop. We need universal health care for everyone in this country.